I'm Richard Dillard. I'm the HOA President for the Villages of Morningside in Franklin. Over the past few years, we have observed roofing companies that have installed roofing in neighborhoods around us. A couple of years ago, I noticed 5 Points putting on some roofs in the northern part of our neighborhood. And so I went up there and took photographs, talked to Darcy at that time. That's the first time that I met her. At that time, I was impressed as to how they were taking care of the property, covering the plantings and the sides of the homes and protecting the woodwork and so forth. That impressed me about that, and watched them for a few days off and on. We were not planning on doing roofing for another 10 years because our roofs were only 10 years old. However, in May of this year, we had a severe hailstorm, so that changed our plan. We had significant damage to all of the roofs on our houses, and our neighborhood has 136 residents. So we had around 70 buildings spread out over 45 acres. We replaced all of the roofs due to the fact that we had significant damage on all of them. The project went very smoothly. Met several times with the management and the project managers for 5 Points Roofing at their office, and we were impressed as to the plan they had and the layout and the timing, and they committed several crews to work our particular situation because it was so large. We completed about 140 roofs in 6.5 weeks. So it was impressive, and the plan went well and smoothly. The guys who were on the roofs down to the management were very friendly. Our residents liked them. They looked like they were having fun at what they were doing, so that meant a lot. We're very pleased with the process. The residents have given us very positive feedback from the beginning till the end.